Okay, so in this video, let's go over how to calculate electronegativity. This will help you determine whether a bond is polar, nonpolar, or ionic. So firstly, we have to look at the electronegativity. So let's take H2O. So the electronegativity for hydrogen is going to be 2.1, and the electronegativity for oxygen is right under here, 3.5. Okay, so we're going to subtract hydrogen's electronegativity from oxygen as it's the lower, has the lower value. So we're going to take oxygen, subtract it from, or hydrogen subtracted from oxygen, and that's going to give us an electronegativity value of 1.4. So if we look at our chart over here, that means that this bond is polar, as it falls between 0.4 and 1.7. As a general rule, you should memorize this chart though. Okay, so then let's take sodium and chlorine as our second example. Sodium is a nonmetal, and chlorine is a nonmetal, and sodium is a metal, so it should be ionic, but let's calculate it anyways. So sodium has an electronegativity value of 0.9, and chlorine has an electronegativity value of 3.0, which is right here. Okay, so then we're going to take chlorine and subtract from chlorine sodium, and that should give us an electronegativity value of 2.1, which falls under ionic, so that's all good.